this video we will learn how to write tapering strokes. The first type begins with the stroke beginning thicker and tapering down and becoming thinner as you go down, keeping the brush pointing up and to the left. Pushing down, keeping your brush pointed up and to the left, tapering down and lifting the brush to decrease the pressure. The top of the stroke should be about 45 degrees. The second type of stroke tapers from the top to the bottom and becomes thicker at the bottom and then tapers off to the right. The brush should begin pointed up and to the left, and then coming down, increasing the pressure on the brush, and then coming out to the right, decreasing the pressure and thinning out the stroke. When you combine these two strokes together, you can make the kanji character hito, nin, or jin, which is the character for person. If you enjoy our videos, please support us by subscribing to our channel.